Fresh cut herbs are one of my all-time favorite things. I love the color, the smell, the textures. They're not snotty plants. You do not need to be an expert gardener or have a bright green thumb or have acres of land. These hard-working, easy to get along with plants are a great way to begin gardening right in your own backyard. And the thing is, this plant's harvest can be used in so many different ways. One of my favorite things to do with them is to create homemade essential oils. Gather a crock pot, almond oil, mason jars, oranges, lemons, and rosemary. Trim your rosemary. Peel your oranges and your lemons. Place them in mason jars. Fill with almond oil and seal tightly. Next, place the jars in a crock pot. Cover the jars with water. Cook on low for about 8 hours. After they have cooled, to make them lovely, choose a decorative bottle and gingerly pour the oil into the bottle, being careful not to let any of the herbs or citrus fall in. Place on the lid. Then, to give it a really decorative look, melt sealing wax in a double boiler. When the wax has melted, dip the tops of the bottle into the wax several times, twisting and turning until you've created the perfect finishing touch. These essential oils can be enjoyed in your cooking, your baths, for your candle crafts, and I think they are a perfect homemade gift.